Hi Sketch friends! Let's draw a cute teddy bear. Aww. Looks like our teddy bear is ready for art time. So we're going to start off with the head. We're going to draw the rainbow line. It's the line that curves up. So our little friend, the teddy bear, he's a little artist. I think he's going to do a little painting with us today. And now we're going to start off with a line that curves to the right. And now we're going to curve a line down to the left. And that's the shape of our head for the teddy bear. Okay, pay attention to how big these eyes are. These characters, what makes them so cute are their big eyes. Then they have a tiny nose and a tiny mouth. It looks like our teddy bear has his paint palette out. He's doing a little bit of a color mix. Oh, he's getting a little messy today. So I bet you he knows his primary colors. Do you know your primary colors? Red, yellow, and blue. Oh, wow, look at that. He did a painting of Vincent van Gogh's Starry Night. This subject in art is called a landscape. So a landscape is a picture of land. And you can see it's called Starry Night because of the nighttime sky. Did you notice where he put his horizon line? The horizon line separates the ground from the sky. He placed it very low. Because he placed it low, it made the sky nice and big. Okay, so for the ears, look at that. I'm curving a line to the right. Let's make sure we're paying attention to the size of the shapes too, right? How big are the ears in relationship to the head that we drew? So as we're learning how to draw with shapes, we also want to pay attention to the sizes of the shapes too. So we're going to curve a line to the left, and then we're also going to curve a line to the right for the body. Oh, wow! You are so talented. Look at that. That's Leonardo da Vinci's painting of the Mona Lisa. That subject in art is called a portrait. So a portrait is a picture of a person or anything that has a face. So our little teddy bear is considered a portrait today. Look at this. We're going to curve a line down like a little smiley face. You deserve that. Look at that. 4 scoops of ice cream, Teddy. You worked so hard today. Those beautiful masterpieces you've created. Hey guys, don't forget to add little details. The little lines for the belly, maybe in the ears, give it some rosy cheeks. Maybe he's got some little paint splatter on him too from painting all day. Well, thank you guys for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.